What's up everybody, it's Flippin' Rides, back with another video. Here's the GMC 4x4. Made it to Houston, no problems with transmission. I'm gonna be doing a couple of upgrades before I'm gonna give it to my son actually. So what I am gonna be doing is, this is gonna stay the same color. This I'm gonna paint it shiny black, so that way it'll match. And then the skid plate, all that stuff, I'm going to be painting it with the underbody coat. It's kind of a flat black. And then these, I'm going to paint these red to kind of match this. But also what I'm going to be doing is painting the brake calipers red. Got a bunch of pinstriping. That back caliper, yeah, you can see all this oil from when the transmission went. I got pulled over. That light, I'm gonna fix that one, and this one was burnt out, so I got the bulbs, fix that up. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. Here's the Expedition, still got work to do on that one. Other than that, it's a pretty clean truck. There's the X6, my wife's daily. That thing's pretty fast actually. It's a twin turbo. Let me know if y'all want me to race that one day. Take it to the track and see how fast it really is. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna get all that stuff on film. Just do some quick painting. What my dad calls it is reparaciones liquidamentos. Basically, liquid repairs. So yeah, you got your red spray paint for the calipers, and also the hooks on the front. Some sandpaper. Shiny gloss for the bumper, and then for the undercoat I'm going to paint that. And then I got the new light bulbs, and then the new, oh, this is for the Expedition. The back door doesn't open, and they sell this little kit, so I'm going to be putting that so that way I can open the back door. And then here's the license plate light. So yeah, stay tuned, I'm going to be doing that in this video. But this is the truck, is pretty nice. It's got a sound system. It's going to need another windshield, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to take it to get it replaced. Column is a little split, but I don't know. I'm going to pretend like I didn't see that. It's pretty cool because it does have electric locks, but the windows are manual, so. What else? It is an 8-foot bed. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. This truck, I'm gonna call it the money maker, because I'm gonna give it to my son so he can make some money. When you have a truck, you can pull, you can tow, you can haul trash, you can do whatever. So that's the point of this truck. With this whole COVID thing, he lost his job and he wrecked his car, and so just to get him back going, I'm gonna give him this truck. It does have these tires, but this one's all dry rotted, and that one's okay, I guess. I'll get these all and then put it under the truck. I'll probably be getting rid of that compressor. So the idea was when he would go off-roading, he would deflate the tires, and then when it was time to go home, he would reinflate them. That's why he had that. And then also right here, it has this air nozzle, so you air up, and the shocks inflate, and it jacks the truck up even higher. So I'm gonna leave that there. That way, if you're gonna tow something really heavy, it You just air it up and you can tow something even bigger. One thing I do need to replace, let me show you. Or not replace, but just work on it, is the exhaust. It is really loud. It has no exhaust pipe. It just has a flow master right there, and then kind of a bootleg white pipe, I guess you can say, or I don't know if you can see that. It's got those flex pipes, which means that one's all hanging down. Got a buddy that does the exhaust, so I'm gonna be taking it to him and get that all squared away. Shout out to the guys at RGV Transmission. They did a really good job. Fast and cheap. I got it really cheap actually compared to other places. And they put all the high performance stuff, the red clutches, new pumps, all that stuff. I don't know if it's gonna be in this video or the last video where you'll see. He had the transmission replaced, and they didn't upgrade the turbina, the turbine, the torque converter, and it still had the original from when it was a 6-cylinder. So that supposedly that's what caused the problem with the transmission, is too much power going to the transmission, and the torque converter is what caused the problems with the transmission and causes it to burn and clutch. Also, I had them change out the oil cooler because it was overheating, so I had them install the extra larger transmission cooler. That way it'll keep it nice and cool. We're gonna need to be replacing these headlights. They're not on there right. This one's burnt out, so they look pretty bad. This one too. So just be ordering some on Evo Bay and putting them on. Get that windshield replaced. So yeah, you just need a good cleaning. Not bad for a $1,500 truck. I got this for $15. The transmission guys, he replaced it for $1,500, and then it was another $140 for the transcooler. So yeah, thanks to those guys, they did a good job. I'll be putting their number right there, so that way if anybody want to get a hold of them, they're located out there in Mission, Texas, down there in the valley. So yeah, stay tuned.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Business. Myself a little corner. You got a credit card or something? I know, I just gotta make sure this eye gets out of there.